Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to fix the formula bar in Excel. So let's get us started. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel. And as you see, the formula bar is not visible here. So we are going to fix it. Now navigate to the View tab and from the Show Group, click on Formula Bar option. So that's it. Your formula bar is here. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.